just ready to ride.
Yeah.
Ready to go for it.
Go for it. Snail mail.
Snail mail.
All right, I signed up for the Pine Island Gravel Odyssey last night.
Need 110 miles.
Woo woo. Signed up for the 110. It is May 9th today. The race is June 11th, so we've got 1 month to train for a 110 mile race. So hopefully it goes all right. Hopefully I can hit the training pretty hard. Might be a little tough. Today is the due date of my little baby boy. So we'll see when he comes and how he affects my training, I guess. But yeah, here we go. Yeah.
Look at our baby.
Hey buddy, your first time outside. You're gonna spend a lot of time outside, so get used to it. But yeah, we're going home. Woo woo. Out on a training ride. Just climbed like 1,000 feet in a couple miles to the top of Cicero Peak. It's pretty sweet. Bike looks good. All right, 2 weeks out from the big race. Trying to get a longer day in. Going for 3+ hours. Been going for 1 hour and 15 minutes. I'm at 21.5 miles, so pretty good pace. Talked to Israel on the phone. His training seems to be okay. Hopefully he does all right come race day. How are you feeling, and what's your training look like?
So it's kind of the same situation as the Black Hills 50 that I did, and I've done very minimal training.
Yeah.
So we're gonna see how it goes. I think I can do it. I definitely think I can power through on the 110 on my bike. 50 for running is pretty lofty, but I feel like I'll be able to muscle through with the bike race. So
yeah, I think so too. I don't think that I'm going to do as well as what I had originally hoped, because my training the last like week or so has kind of dropped off for sure.
Yeah, I want to definitely ride well, but
yeah,
I know like with my training it's not gonna be like the best ever.
Right.
So
yeah,
but it's gonna be fun.
Right. Yeah, I think that's what we got to go into it with. It's going to be fun. It'll be a good time. Snail mail together challenge.
Yeah, I'm so stoked.
Last minute bike prep, lubing the chain. Israel's getting his snacks, getting his number on. What number you got?
71.
71. Snail mail challenge with the bros. We're together for this one. Super confident. He's going for the dub tomorrow. Little race prep here.
Just my PB&J and the three pieces.
PB&J in the 3.
Made by my mom.
Race day.
Race day.
Mexican cabin love here. On our way to the start line. Chester's crowds are already lining up. Yeah. Starting. Got it. group up there. They dropped me. I just can't quite keep pace with them. I need to fuel here pretty soon. First checkpoint. well, actually first aid station is in less than 3 miles, so stop and fuel up there. But it felt really good for some segments there. So pretty back here, love it. Keep you updated. Quite at the 4 mile mark, 4 hour mark, I mean. All right, mile 67 approximately. So 1 more mile till the next checkpoint. I need to refill on water. I need a lot of stuff. We got Iz. He and I are together.
Yeah.
How you feeling?
Tired. My back hurts.
Yeah. Is that the worst part?
I think so.
I think that my worst is my left shoulder, actually.
It's my most uncomfortable part of my body.
There it is, the checkpoint. 85 miles.
He's so proud of you. Is Israel behind?
Yeah.
Right away.
Hey, Rubin! Yeah, it is! Woo! You did it, you finished, buddy. Nice shot.
Sorry.
Oh, proud of you, man. Well, that was quite the adventure. It was quite difficult. I did not train nearly enough. I would like to not blame it on this little guy, but he did kind of inhibit some of my training. But with only training for a month for a 110-mile race, that's not his fault. I should have been planning ahead and doing it way before he came around. So yeah, a little bit on me, but yeah, it ended up being a great day, fun time. Yeah, make sure that you follow along with Israel's version. He'll be posting his soon, and check out his other snail mails. All the links will be in the description below, as everybody always does. And yeah, you should definitely follow along on his journey. So subscribe to his channel. And I mean, everybody says it, but if you want to, you can. You don't have to, but if you want to subscribe to mine, follow along with the rest of them, that'd be cool too. But thanks. We'll catch you on the next one.